To book a lab at Harding, what you need to do is go to your school email, which is Outlook, and then at the bottom of that there are calendars. You click on the calendar tab. I happen to have the labs up already, but if you were new or wanted to add one of the new labs, such as the 217 wireless lab, you would go to Folder and open Calendar from a room list on the drop-down tab, and then you would type in HARD, and that will bring up the different Harding places. So I'm going to act like I'm adding the 217 wireless. Oh, you always have to get rid of the Harding custodial. I'm not quite sure why that happens. And you highlight that and click that, it will add it. So I'm hitting OK. So now I have a bunch of different labs up showing. So I'm checking just to see what's available first. So let's say I want to have the lab on Friday, and I'm seeing here that the 217 wireless lab is available from 7 to 8. So just to show you how I would do that, I know that's available and I want to book it so that it will be a successful booking. So then I go to my own calendar, and I'm going to make a new appointment. So if you didn't notice that, I clicked the Home tab, and that takes me to this ribbon of tools, and I'm going to click New Appointment. And so on that, I'm going to make the subject my name, and that way people will know to contact me if they have a question or want to see if they can share with me or for whatever reason. And I'm going to then pick the date, and that was going to be Friday the 26th, and I'm going to go at 7 a.m. and I'm going to go to 7:30 a.m. You can go in and type numbers or if you need to change them, but that gets the time that you want. Now here's the key. You need to invite attendees. You want it to show up on your calendar as well as the lab calendar. So you invite attendees, and then you have to click Rooms. And again, then you type in HARD, and I'm going to pick the 217 wireless lab. I've got to get rid of that custodial calendar. I'm going to click the 217 wireless lab and hit OK. And then I'm going to send that invitation. So I'm going to send it, and then I should get an email fairly quickly telling me, and I just did, that it was accepted or not. But then I also should be able to go and look at the Harding 217 lab. Let me find it. So that's the blue one over here. And now if I go to that and I hover, it looks like I am booked there as well as on my own calendar. So what happens if I decide I don't need that? I can't go to that and cancel it. What I have to do is go to my own calendar, and I click that event, and I say I'm going to cancel the meeting. And so it will bring me up an email, and I'm going to then send the cancellation to the lab. That will unbook it and make it then available for other people to use. So it's helpful to cancel when you know you're not going to be able to make it. Hopefully this will help you if you needed a little refresher or help on booking a lab.